Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose your phone about every single part of this phone, like battery, the LCD, buttons, camera, or speaker, or whatever it is. So go to settings and search for the option named device care. Yeah, it's here, and there is a diagnostic here. And there is a phone diagnostic here. Test all. And now your phone is now testing every single thing in your phone. Yep. Each can be take some time when the phone is checking all the things in your phone. You can stop and skip it. And as you see after that, you will see that everything on your phone is working. If not, will write some problem here. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!